Hi, from the Sierras, it's Papa here. So that's Heavenly Mountain due to open tomorrow. We have a storm coming in tomorrow. Actually, it's starting now. It's supposed to snow for the next 5 days. This is the calm before the storm. So it's supposed to snow heavy starting Saturday morning, and then Sunday and Monday, and then tapering snow showers on Tuesday and Wednesday. So that's our live weather report from Lake Tahoe. I'm going to be going up Sunday, so hopefully we'll be in the middle of the snowstorm with no wind. Lots of snow. Peace, love to you.